In this video, you will learn how to rename the worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened a workbook and there are different worksheets in this workbook and I have assigned a separate name to each worksheet. So in previous videos, we have learned how to hide and unhide sheets in Microsoft Excel and how to insert a separate sheet in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will focus on how to rename these sheets. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. When you insert sheet in Microsoft Excel workbook, then Microsoft Excel automatically assign a name to it. For example, here you can see here Microsoft Excel mostly assign name sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this one. So you have to assign a separate name according to your requirement. So there are two methods to assign a new name to different worksheets in workbook. So I will explain both these methods. Firstly, open the sheet where you want to rename it. You can see here I want to rename sheet 5. After opening this, double click on it. Now you can see here this is selected. Press backscape and write anything. For example, I want to write my name Tahir and click anywhere in worksheet and you have successfully renamed it. Now I will explain second easy method. Open that particular sheet. For example, I want to rename this sheet 4. I will select this one. After selecting this, right click and here you will find the option of rename. Click on it and press backscape and write anything. For example, I want to write it as Excel. Second, click anywhere in worksheet and you have successfully renamed it. So by doing so, you can easily rename Microsoft Excel worksheet in a Microsoft Excel workbooks. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.